Okay, finally got this working. So let's say hitting the reset start state, if we have open, close, opened limit switch, closed limit switch, and then the beam switch. And then here we have the first LED, closest is the motor. The green is the direction on being up, and the third is for the phase 2, so ignore that. So just white LEDs motor, green LEDs direction up. I have all 5 buttons grounded into the main ground pin here, and then I have the diodes grounded to another pin. I think that might have been why I wasn't getting the response from the buttons as I wanted yesterday, that maybe they were sharing the same ground pathway, and therefore maybe I wasn't getting a proper 0 like I should have been at the input. Maybe that was it, I'm not sure. We're looking at this, so if I hit from the start state, hit open, we start opening. Both LEDs are on. Stays opening. I'll hit close, it should just stop the door and go back to start. There's a little delay and it goes back to start. If I want to close the door, we're closing. Only the LED for the motor is on, the direction off, meaning down. Closing, if I hit the close limit switch, the 4th button, stops the motor, goes to start state. If I go back to closing and hit the beam switch, a delay, and then takes me back to opening. Let's see, if I hit the beam switch while in opening, no interruption. If I hit the upper limit switch while opening, it takes me right back to start. I think that's about it. You know, of course, if I'm in start state, my directions default to 1 or up. The motor is inactive. Just to show the whole sequence. Opening, stop, closing, closed, opening, opened, closing, being blocked here. So there was a delay and then reopening. So I think it's all working. Code looks good. Everything seems to be working. I'll go ahead and start adding the phase 2 stuff now that it looks like I actually know what I'm doing to an extent. Thanks, Jonathan, for your help along the way. I know it's difficult doing it remotely, but I really do appreciate it. Bye.